ClickFunnels and all that other expensive stuff when you're about to make a funnel or you're about to make a landing page and all that. Maybe you want to generate some leads that you can sell to in the long run. Yeah, well, then Groove.cm is for you. And I'm gonna teach you about how to make a landing page where you give away something for free, and afterwards you get the email from the person that actually gets the free stuff that you're giving away. So Groove.cm, I don't want to go too much in depth with what it is right now. You just have to go to Groove.cm and check it out. Right now it is for 1 full year you're giving $299, and that is very, very cheap, because if you compare ClickFunnels to Groove, then I believe that per month it is $297 for ClickFunnels for 1 month, and then this here is $299 for a full year. There's a huge difference when it comes to the pricing of these two, and I actually like Groove.cm a lot. You can check out everything here on this page here when you go and visit the page, and then just check it out. You can see it says try it free for 30 days, so you have nothing to lose if you just want to try it out. It's free for 30 days and you can do whatever you want, and then you can cancel anytime, you know. So, and it also says here, no credit card required. So yeah, they're not gonna charge you after the 30 days. Don't worry, you can just go and check it out and try see if you like it or not. So, but let's get straight to it, you know. Okay, so we are about to start making this these landing pages and also the sign up form. So this is the first part of this lead page here. So they come to this page, they see this countdown timer, and they read the headline, and then either they decide to opt in, or they just maybe leave the website. There are two options. So that's those two options I just told you. So if they click here, then they'll get redirected to this page here, where they can type in their first name and their email address, and then they can get access by clicking the button here. And by the way, I have to say that in this video we're only talking about the landing page with the offer, like I just showed you, and also the opt-in page like I just showed you. We will only be making those actual pages, and we will not be setting up the email campaign in this video. That is another video that I'm going to make in the future. But just so you know, it's only this page and this page here, not any technical stuff with email setup and all that. So let's get started here. So we'll go to you can either click here and there, or you can just click here. That's easier, of course. And then you can see I have 3 pages. This is the one I just showed you. This is the sign up form, and this is another random one I've made a while ago. It's just a template. I haven't messed around with it that much. But let's take a new site here, and then we'll click single pages, and then let's scroll down here. We'll take this one here and import the full template, and I'll name it test page. Start building. Just takes a few seconds. Okay, so I'm about to remove everything that we don't need on this website here, on this page here. The only thing we need is this part here, and from here. Oh, sorry, from here to here. That is the only thing we're gonna need. So I'll remove everything else. And 1 second. So I'll remove this, and I'll come back to you in a few seconds when I've removed everything. So hang on tight, and I'll talk to you in a few seconds. Okay, we're back now. So we will also remove this part here where it says healthy, delicious, organic. We'll remove that as well. We don't need that. The next thing we need to do is we need to set in a new picture, a background picture. So we'll go over here, background, press image, and delete this one here, and then choose another image. I already uploaded this image here, but you can just upload a new one, and then I'll just select the one that you need. I'll need this one here, and then you can see that the text, this text here is not that readable. So what we're gonna do is that, 1 second here, I'll go over and then I will take this text here and I will copy paste this. Whoops, just delete all this. So, and then we are gonna make the text white, if we can do that. And so now we're gonna make a background to the text. It's a transparent background because right now you can't read the text because of these neon signs here. You can see it looks a bit messy. But what we're gonna do is that we're gonna click on the text, and then we're gonna click here. No, sorry, we're gonna click here, and then there's a pop-up. Yeah, this one here, it pops up. 1 second, and you can just, it's a little tricky here, but you can just click right here, and then you can move it up here. And then we're gonna make the background black. No, that's not, oh my god, that's not the right one. Sorry about that. We're gonna click on this one. Instead of the text, we're gonna click here on the gray box here, and then it will pop up again. 1 second, and we'll click here. And then we're gonna make this one black here, and then we're gonna make it transparent so we can see the image behind it, even though let's see here, I'll say that yeah, that's about it. I think that's okay. Yeah, so let's go back to the page here that we've created. So the next part is that we are gonna put up this countdown timer here. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna click the plus sign here, and then we're gonna scroll down, and it says countdown timers. And then let's see if we can find the one. It's this one here. We'll click on this one here, and now you can see that this is the call to action right here. So right now we're gonna hurry, blah blah blah. Yeah, okay. So we'll say delete this here, no payments. Let's see what is pay nothing. It says we'll delete this, and then we're gonna have to match it. Also, we're gonna put in this $27 here. Okay, so let's. For some reason, it's pretty annoying right now. I can't write what I want to write because of this box here. So I'm gonna do something else here. I'm gonna say 27. Sorry, $27 pay nothing today, and then I'll just delete it. Oh, 1 second, we have to make this one here right there, and then we'll delete the other text here. And up here we're also gonna delete at midnight. It says expire soon, so we'll write soon right here. And what do we else have? We also need to change the color, so this button color here matches this one up here. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna click here on this button, and then we can click here on the color. Then we can yeah, that is. So then we can copy this hex color code here. 1 second. So copy that. Okay, and then we'll go up here. And then we'll go to this color here, and after that we're gonna click. Oh yeah, we don't even have to copy it. We can just recent colors. So you can do that, or you can also, like I said, paste it in here with the hex color code, and then click OK. 1 second. So for some reason it didn't work right here. I don't know why, but you can just click on the recent colors, and then it will be the same color up here and on the bottom. So the next thing we need to do is we need to go here and do something to the countdown timer. So we need to click here on the gear icon here, and then we can say the type should be fixed or daily or from landing. So we'll click here from landing, And then we don't want to put in the days and hours, we'll just put in minutes, and that is 59 minutes and 59 seconds. And when the user revisits the page, then it says continue the timer or reset the timer. You can do whatever you want. I just want to I want to continue the timer. And when countdown reaches 0, then we can do nothing, or we can go to a page or go to a URL. That is totally up to you. But for this video here, I'll just select do nothing, and then update and close here. And let's just see here. Then we can also click here and change the color, this red color here to this, so it matches. So we'll just click here on the recent colors, do the same with this one here. Recent colors, the same. And the last one here. And then we also have the days. We'll do the same with that, and the minutes and so on. Hours. Yeah. And there. So, and so, okay, so now it actually matches, the color matches, and we have the text with this transparent background here, and then the background image. So right now it actually looks pretty much like the other one here. So the only thing we need to do is that we need to change the text here. Change the text on this on this button here. Okay, so now we're gonna click here on the button, like I said, and then we'll click on the gear icon again, and then we can go over to this page here and then copy this button text here and go back and replace that with this one here. Link to this is I'll do that in a second, but first we'll take this, it's a limited time offer. We also need to do that. It's right here, limited time offer. Whoops, what happened there? Then I have to do it again. Just so, we'll have to copy it 1 second here. That's my bad. So sorry about that. And then so now here, this is when we click this button, then it will be linked to another page, and that page could be, if you have an external URL, then you can use that. You can also copy it to a blog post. You can link it to a blog post, and you can do different kind of stuff right here. But what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use this URL option here, and then I'm going to this page right here, and then I'm gonna copy. Preview. I'm not gonna copy preview. I'm gonna copy that, and then I'm going back here, and then and then I'm gonna open it in another tab, and that's it. And then update and close. So now it actually is pretty much the same as this one here. There might be some minor differences in the design, but this is actually a pretty good replicate of the other page right here. And then you also remember to save, and you also need to check if the design is good on both the desktop and the desktop and the iPad and the iPhone and all that. So you can just click here and then see how it looks like. It looks pretty good right here. And what about the other one? Also looks good here. Great. And yes, it looks great. And again, it looks great. Yeah, awesome. So now we're about to publish this. So we're gonna click here, and then you can choose your own domain, or you can choose to host this page at Groove.cm. So let's click here on manage domains, and 1 second, hosting option. Yeah, that is. So now we can, if you have your own custom domain, you can click on that, or you can have Groove Pages subdomain, and we'll just name this test page, and then we're gonna click here on publish, and then it takes a few seconds. Then you can see it changes. You usually go live within a few minutes, but may take longer. So what we can do now is that we can go to the page by clicking here. And there you go. It's actually the same page as this one here. There are some minor differences, as you can see. This one here is with italic fonts, and this one isn't. So yeah, it's pretty good. So that is the first one that we're gonna make. That is the first landing page. So now we're gonna replicate this one here, and yeah, let's just do it. So let's go back here again, go to the dashboard just to show you, then click on Groove Pages and Groove Funnels. Then we're gonna, this is the one we're gonna replicate. It has another image right now, but don't never mind about that. We'll just click here on New Site, and then we're gonna type in here in the search field, we're gonna type in course, and then it is this one right here. This we're gonna take this one here, and then we're gonna import the full template, and this is test page 2, build, and now here we go. So I'm gonna get rid of everything we don't need. So we're gonna delete this one here, and then I'll also delete everything right down here. So I'll come back in a few seconds. Just hang on tight. Then we need to remove this part right here. Delete that. Confirm. And then we need to, you can see there's a lot of space between, so we need to edit that also. So we'll go in here in this box right here. Here in the text field, 1 second, where is it? So there you go. And then we're gonna go into this one here. It's a spacer, and we're gonna click here so it pops up. And then you can see it says the margin is 24 right here. So if we change this to 0, or just drag this over, so now there's not so much space between. So that's what we need. And then let's go back here. We respect your privacy, blah blah blah. And that is also over here. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, it's pretty much it right there. We need to delete this, and then write marketing never sleeps. So that's actually it right now. Now we got the 2 pages, so let's publish this one as well. And then hosting options, and we're gonna go with let's say test page 2, and then we're gonna click on publish, and then we should be able to see, let's say here. Yeah, okay, we need to this space here, we need to do something about that as well. But when we have done that, then that's it. So you just have to go back in and edit that small part, and then there you go. So yeah, that's pretty much it